Hello Bittorrent token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now my friends. Today video is going to be very important, very surprising, good news video for all Bittorrent token holders, because today the BTT token start a huge pump my friends, and today is a good day of all BTT holders my friends. Now you can see here, first of all, if you look the current price of the BTT token 0.002 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Bittorrent token my friends, and the market cap 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply, every update is present here. But you can see my friend that the whole chain is over and the Bittorrent token is positive. The last 1 week, last 24 hours, last 1 hour changes of the BTT token is positive my friends. Especially the 24 hours change of the Bittorrent token is positive, 5.24%. 5.24% the price increase in the last 24 hours, last 1 day. So absolutely my friend, that's really a huge profit for all BTT holders my friends. Congratulations to all BTT holders for this achievement. And from the price chart, that's clear that BTT will take a huge pump. And my prediction is also going positive about Bittorrent token, that they continue this jump for a long time. They continue this jump to the last of this month. I'm sure about that. I believe that they continue this jump to the last of this month. So that's why I recommend for all of you to please hold to the last of month. If you want profit, so please hold to the last of month. That's how you can make a good amount of profit with the Bittorrent token. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about BTT token? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates.